Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Basically just talking about this hair growth challenge that I want to do. I'm trying to grow my hair to like waist length. Right now I would say that I'm like bra strap or above bra strap length. I haven't checked. Like, I think a real check is when you get your hair pressed, blow dry, like a whole blow dry, and I haven't done that in like 2 years. So, and a trim, I need one desperately. Usually you're supposed to get one like during the winter time so that your hair won't sweat it out. But yeah, I wanted to grow my hair because I feel like I'm stuck. Like my hair is stuck and it's just, I can't. So what I decided to do, I've seen a lot of people on YouTube doing that video of taking my 6-week braid out down, and it's like you get a lot of results because you're not manipulating the hair so much, and they're just like braiding down their hair in cornrows and putting a wig on like I got right now, and they're just making sure that like, their hair is moisturized at night, and they wash their hair and the braids and they get in between the scalps. Now with me, I have like scalp psoriasis. Basically it's like very dry scalp, and what I've been doing is I've been like trying to figure out how to not cure it but how to maintain it, because you would usually get all these like really flaky skin cells. Like I would get them all around the like a perimeter. There's a spot right here that bothers me a lot, but I would like get them the perimeter, and sometimes you would have to like pick them out and things like that. But anyway, that's another story. So I'm working on a oil for that as well, like a hair care line. So yeah, I just wanted to show you. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of where my hair is right now. I'll put an exact date when I put the clip in, and then I'm gonna take it out. Like I want to do 6 weeks. I want to do 8 weeks. That's a long time. 8 weeks is a long time, but I think I'm gonna do, okay, I want to do 4 weeks, but if I could go longer, then I'm gonna go longer. And I just want to keep doing it for the rest of the year to see where my hair is going. Now, knowing me, I'm like the type of person that's like, oh, I want braids, or I want, I love braids around this time because it's like the holiday time and I could just like plait up my hair and stuff like that. But then again with that, I get this very allergic reaction when I put the braiding hair. It's been happening recently. It never used to happen. I don't know what is going on. It never used to happen, and I would get the scalp psoriasis even more. So I'm kind of scared to get the braids or put anything synthetic on my hair right now, because I've been doing really good with my scalp and making sure that it's hydrated and things like that. So yeah, it's a diary just documenting like my hair journey and us getting to waist length, because you know I'm trying to be like at Diarra's hair. Like if you've seen Diarra, she has like really nice natural hair. I'm not saying because her hair is long it's nice. I'm just saying like that's just a goal that I want to obtain. I just wanted to like talk about it and things like that. So like you'll see a video of me taking down my 6-week braid downs and things like that. Just natural hair videos. I think once I reach that goal, I think I kind of want to like, I mean, natural hair is a lot itself. Like I have a lot of hair already and it's a lot, and it's just like, dang, you want more hair? No, I just want the longer hair. I want to retain more length to me. Let me give you a backstory. I've been natural for like a long time, like my whole life, and then when I was younger, around like the age of 9 or something like that, my mom went to get me a perm. Got a perm. It really didn't take, because the hair was virgin, like never had any perm and things like that. Hair was still nice and healthy and thick. Then after that, she stopped putting a perm and my hair was fine after that. Then fast forward to like, my hair has always been like this, like just long and thick. Then this is where I had to cut off like most of my hair. Like I had like a little bit of hair, and this was in like high school, senior year high school, and it was my brother's wedding and we had to get our hair done. And I went to a salon, and basically didn't know how to do like natural hair and things like that, and she's so used to doing relaxed hair that okay, when you do natural hair and you want it straight, you have to wash, conditioner, deep conditioner, sit under the dryer, or sit under the dryer, blow dry it straight after, and then you know flat iron it, and then use your hot comb for the roots. But no, this lady was like getting the hot comb and starting, and I'm sitting there like I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it. Fast forward, I was in there for a long time. I felt my hair was on fire, like it was burning, and then I didn't even wait. I didn't even wait a whole day. After the wedding was over, I went to go rinse out my hair. My hair was completely damaged. It did not revert back to curly. It was straight. And so what ended up happening was I kept it like that for a long time because I wasn't ready to cut it off yet. And I just realized that I continued to straighten it more often. I was just like, you know, there's nothing else I could do. So I started straightening it like almost every day. I think prior to that I used to straighten almost every day in high school because I like to just do my ponytails and go. I'm gonna show you guys some clips too of like how it was. Then I got to a point after high school I decided, like, you know what, girl, this is after high school, like I think like in 2017 I cut it off. So, and now here we are now with long hair. I want to say long hair, but thick hair. Now I'm just working on my scalp. I never really had this problem, this scalp psoriasis issues, but I've been, you know, working on the oil, making sure that I've been moisturizing my scalp almost every other night, because sometimes I forget to do it every night. So I try to do it every other night to make sure that my scalp gets moisturized and stuff like that. I wanted to share with you guys like my hair journey and like the goal. So this is video number 1, and video number 2 would be like me taking down the braids, and you guys will see it and everything like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.